For GIS, there is a the okay, for GIS is designed for the mobile power supply also. So like this photo, you can see it. You always install the GIS for the vehicle mounted. So it can be the just like a big power bank, and for the mobile, for the emergency power supply. Okay, for the application for GIS, you can use it for the energy storage. So you can storage the solar power and for the wind power and also other renewable powers to the battery system as the energy storage. So against this application, so customer always storage the solar power and other powers in the day, and then they will make the GIS discharge the power to their loads at night. Okay, so the next application is for the peak shaving. So for this application, it's always used for the areas, our countries, the electricity cost is not is different in different time. So they will charge the battery when the electricity cost is cheap, and then they will discharge to the loads or to the grid, sell the power to grid when the electricity cost is high to get the price difference. Okay, and another application is used for backup power. So used for the backup power is customer used when when the city power is off, and they will there is STS inside the GRES system. So when the city power is off, so the STS will close and will open, and then the system will running with the off grid. So the battery system will discharge the power to their loads. And the switch time from the from grid to the battery, the switch time is less than 15 milliseconds. Okay, so the next application is building microgrid system. For this application, is always used for the far away countries, areas, the places. So at these places, it always no power and not enough power. So the GRES will use together with the solar and with the diesel generator together to make a microgrid system. So it is always used for off grid and no grid connection. Yeah. Okay, so the final application is used for the mobile power supply. So the GRES is designed for the vehicle mounted. So customer can install the G.
PPT 不要讲，它太长。
好的。
30分钟轮回。
没有人接我吗？说你们开声。
不是，这是个信号，人比较少。Okay, this is application for GRES system. 要不给他讲一下吧，正好看一下实物图。Okay, now we will show you the real product for GRES system in our showroom. 这个有音吗？喂。可以说。 Hello, welcome to our live stream. Okay, now you can see this is our GRES system. I introduced you the okay 了。Okay, welcome to our live stream. Now I'm introducing you is our GRES system. Okay, so GRES system is integrated energy storage system. Now you can see the sample in our showroom is the mini the minimum module is the GRES 75 to 50. So the battery capacity for this module is 75 kilowatt hour, and the AC input and output power is 50 kilowatt. Okay, now firstly, I would like to show you the configuration for the GRES system. Now you can see this is the first cabinet. The first cabinet is electrical cabinet, and inside the electrical cabinet there is a PCS module. PCS is a power conversion system, the equal to the inverter, and also the solar MPPT module and the STS module inside the electrical cabinet. 有钥匙来着。Okay, now I can open the door to show you the details. Okay, hold on. I'm open the door. Okay. Okay, this is the inside of the electrical cabinet, and you can see this module is PCM. PCM module is PCS. It's bidirectional DC-AC power conversion system. Here, and for this one, this is a solar MPPT module, so you can connect your solar system for this module. Hello, welcome to our live stream. Now we are showing you is our GRES system. It's battery storage system. And this module, you can see this module is STS. STS is just like a switcher, and it will switch from on and off grid automatically. So the application for this module is for example, if you use for the system for backup power, and there is the grid connection. So when the grid is power off, so the system will switch to auto switch to battery supply to loss. The switch time from the on grid to off grid is 15 millisecond. This one, because this one is the minimum module, so the AC power for input and output is 50 kilowatt. But you can see there is other space for actual modules, so we can add in the battery modules. We can add in the actual PCS module to expand the system power by adding actual module, PCS module. Okay, so there is a okay. So this is a electrical cabinet with the PCS module, solar MPV module, and STS module. And in this side, when we open this, there are the connectors. So the connectors for the you can connect your grid, your loads, and the solar system inside here. Okay, let me show you. I'm not sure whether you can see it very clearly, but this is the breakers for the AC out and the breakers for AC input. And it's the SPD protection and SPD protection. And this is for the PV and the PV breaker and the battery breakers here. Okay, for the GRES, there is another advantage is we have finished the internal cables already. So you just connect your AC out, your loads, and you connect the grid here is okay. Okay, so this is electrical cabinet, and now you can see this one. This one is the So the second cabinet is battery for the battery system. So for each battery cabinet, the capacity is 75 kilowatt hour. This is for this one is just a one piece battery cabinet. So the capacity is 75 kilowatt hour. So we can add in another battery cabinet to expand the capacity so one piece is 55 kilowatt hour. So two pieces will be the 150 kilowatt hour. Okay, now the maximum we can do is 300 kilowatt hour for this system. Okay, also you can see the cabinet. For the cabinet is IP54 protection level, so you can use it for outdoor. And this is our new design for GRES system. We're adding the air conditioner for the system. So this one is 6,000 watts for the air conditioner. So for each battery cabinet, there are two pieces air conditioner like this. So the left one have one, the right have another one. So the air conditioner is auto running. So when they monitor the temperature more than 25 degrees, so the air conditioner will auto running, and then so the cooling will running. Okay, so also when the temperature lower than 15, so lower than 15 degrees, so the heating will auto running, and when the temperature increased to 20 degrees, so the air conditioner will stop running. Okay. And you can see there is a important for the there is a touch screen. Okay, now you can see this is a touch screen. It's big one. So it's very smart, and this is very important for the whole system because I'm not sure whether you can see it very clearly, but so for on this screen you can see you can check. The first page is the home page is for the status for the whole system, including the PV, the PV information, the grid, and the loads, and also the battery. You can check the AC voltage and the work status. It's DC voltage, yeah, and also you can check the alarms, and you can setting up the work mode here. Okay, for the system, for GRES system, it can be used for energy storage, peak shaving, and also backup power. 哎，没人了，稍微动一下吧，小一点就行了，对。Okay, so for the energy storage, Okay, for the it can be used for the energy storage and backup power, and also mobile power bank, and the peak shaving. So you can setting up the work mode from the touch screen for this auto running for different requirement. Okay, so as the application for energy storage system, so you can use together with the solar and the diesel generator. So as the energy storage, so customer always storage the solar power in the battery system in the day. And when there is enough power in the night, they will use the battery discharge to their loads and to save the electricity cost. Okay, for the backup power, customer use the GRES charge when there is a grid power and the power is enough, and when the power is off, at any time, so the GRES system will as the backup power to supply to the loads. Okay, about the peak shaving, it also can be used for the peak shaving. About the peak shaving, it already used the countries and the areas about that the electricity cost is different in different time. For example, so the electricity cost is higher in the morning, and also the electricity cost is cheap in the early morning. So the customer will charge the battery at the time in the early morning, and so they will discharge the battery to the loads when the electricity cost is high. So like this, some commercials person can get the price difference. And also some end users use the GRES system like this way to save electricity bill. Okay. So GRES also designed the as the vehicle mounted. So it can be installed in the truck. So it's just like a big mobile power bank to supply the power in the place don't have the enough power. Okay. Okay, if you have any question, and you can leave us message. Our contractors freely. 要不你讲会儿啊，讲会儿那个充电桩。Okay, so now I have finished the introduction for the energy storage system. So if you have any question, you can leave us a message or contact us freely. Later next, our colleague Lucy will, Judy will introduce you our EV charger. Okay.
Okay, next let me introduce our DC charger product. As we see, we have three business lines. One is UPS for data center and energy storage system. Then we also have DC fast charger product. This one is wall box charger with one CCS two connector. This one is 30 kilowatt with one power models. Our product use modular design. You can choose the suitable capacity according to your need. This one is 30 kilowatt with one 30 kilowatt power modules. If you need a larger system, we has a wide range product from 30 kilowatt to 360 kilowatt. This one is a wallbox charger with one CCS2 connector. Our charger has CCS1, CCS2 CHAdeMO, and GBT connectors optional. For wallbox type, it only can use one DC connector. As you can see, it is a compact design. It is small and save the follow. It is wall box, so save floor space. It can just hang on the wall. It is save your space. You can choose this type. Can install in your home, in your factory, or a restaurant. Can be a self-use. And you can this one with a 10.4 feet display. You can see this because this with one connector, so you can on the display you can choose this connector. Just click it, then you can choose to this ways to start the charging. We have three ways to start the charge. Password, app scan, and RFID card. You can tap password to start charging by enter the password. Also, you can tap app to start charging by scan the QR code. Also, you can tap the card to start charging by swipe the RF card. You can swipe the RF card in this space. Also, we have many languages optional. I can show you on the engineer pages. By the way, this is the user pages. If you are the you can also operation in the engineer pages. I see there are many informations you can set and read on these pages. The generator. You can set the date, time, and the survival hotline. Yes, you can tap. Also, you can set the max output power. And there are now there are the languages we support now. You can choose how many languages, which languages you want to show on the pages. Then you can click to choose which languages you use. It has English, Chinese, German, and French, Turkey, Russia. For you, these languages. And the charging pages, this one only with one connector. If we also have large system, for example, the floor mounted type can with 60 kilowatt to 190 kilowatt. This I will show you later. And you can set the output parameters on these pages. The max voltage, max current, max temperature, and the smart charging function. This is set for Yes, you can show it more closer. It's for connector 1. Okay, this is the page's back office. You can connect our charging support OCPP 1.6 JSON proposal. It means it can connect with your OCPP backend. You can control the charger remotely. This is the pages for you to connect with your OCPP backend. These pages, you just enter the domain and number, then connect with your OCPP backend. And the alarms, yeah, if any errors of happens of the charger, it will show the alarms. You can check. If you as an engineer, you can check the errors on these pages. There are the alarms will show, which you will know which fault happens. Then the records pages, yeah, it includes charging records and alarm records. You can include the information for each records. It's charging records. If you want to check more clear information, you can click it. Then more information for each charging records will show. And the alarm records, the alarm and the alarm time, location will show this alarm records on these pages. And the about, you can check the version of the software on these pages. We support, by the way, we support free software application. If we have the software application, we can support you updates remotely. Okay. This is all for this wallbox charger.
呀，这啥意思啊？为什么不让加视频呀？长柄。这个吗？
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, hello, friend. Welcome to our live stream.这个删了吧，这个删不了啊。这个是这样。不行吗？反正也不行。怎么办
Hello, welcome. Ritesh, welcome to our live stream. This is Zhen and Judy from SU Power. Today we will mainly introduce our battery energy storage system.
Hello, Ritesh. So you have collected our product, right? So the product we attached is the BESS container. So we don't have the real goods in our showroom, but we have this one. You can see this is a BESS container also for the smaller capacity. So do you think this one is okay? So we can show you the details. 加不了怎么办？我感觉这个是个坑，该怎么弄？那个里边有集装箱，给他看看。可以了。Okay, so I will show you the 没有不行了。we will show you the videos for our BSS container. 是吧？是这个吧？
Hello viewers, today we are introducing SU integrated best container solution. Comes with 20 feet or 40 feet standard container, up to 2.5 megawatt per hour battery capacity. Hello viewers, today we are introducing SU integrated best container solution. Comes with 20 feet or 40 feet standard container, up to 2.5 megawatt per hour battery capacity could be installed. Standard and customizable system design, minimizing the installation cost and time at the construction site. Container is divided into two units, power cabinet and battery cabinet, including air conditioner, firefighting system, and energy management system, ensuring the system is running stable and safe. The power cabinet includes power conversion system to charge or discharge the battery with AC-DC module. Power management system, 11-inch touchscreen to monitor the status of grid, solar, load, and battery in real time. It also supports remote monitoring, controlling, and OTA update. SUPCS is a modular design, easy for installation and maintenance. Flexible capacity from 50 kilowatt to 600 kilowatt. String connection between PCS module and battery, higher system efficiency and more reliable. STS module inside the PCS cabinet automatically switches within 10 milliseconds, providing uninterrupted power supply. Transformer is optional for the system, isolating the input and output to protect and secure the system. Battery system is using LiFePO4 pack. 3.2 volt 50 Ah battery cell, maximum 2C discharge rate. Also the system applying to SCU battery shell to insulation, making the battery pack more reliable. BMS 3-level protection, modular rack and system, able to avoid overcharge or discharge, etc. safety issue. Air condition is 12.5 kilowatt smart cooling system, real-time adjusting the environment temperature. Individual closed air passage, separate cooling and heating airflows. Firefighting system is using environmental friendly coolant, auto sensors, and mechanical system design, durable and reliable. You can use SU energy storage system to take advantage of.
Okay. So now I would like to show some specification about our 这个不是是吧？啊，about our BSS container. Okay, so just now we have finished the introduction about our GRES system. So for this one, the maximum battery capacity is 300 kilowatt hour. So there are some customers would like to use the higher capacity. So we have another solution for outdoor BESS container is this one. So this one is a standard container for 20 feet and 40 feet. So if you would like the battery capacity higher than 300 kilowatt hour, so we recommend you this. 哎，为什么这上面没有啊？
这上面不显示，只显示我们摄像头。
我讲 PPT， 你那能看到吗？啊？
没有。
等一下啊。Okay, hold on. Let me check what happened. 啊，这儿呢。Okay, sorry. Let us continue.
买家进入直播间了。
Hello, 怎么读啊？ Hello, friend. Welcome to our live stream. So now we are introducing you is our BESS container. So just now we introduced our GRES system is energy storage system for outdoor use, and from 75 kilowatt hour to 300 kilowatt hour. So if you would like the larger battery capacity and also used for outdoor, so we recommend you the container proposal. Okay, this one is this is the 20 feet container energy storage solution. So there are two models for our standard product. So you can choose the 1 MWh battery capacity with the 500 kilowatt AC input and output power. Also, we have the smaller one is the 650 kilowatt hour battery capacity with 300 kilowatt AC input and output power. So inside of the BESS container, there are the lithium battery system, and also the PCS, and the firefighting system, and the transformer, and also air conditioner. So so it's just like a complete house for the battery. So you no need to do other foundations in your side, construction in your side. So you just connect the cables for using. Also, this is our logo, SU. So also we support to do the OEM for customer logo. Okay, this one. So you can see these are different capacity, different size. So actually, for the international market, so the standard size is for the 20 feet container. Hello, hello Martin. Hello Martin. Welcome to our live stream. Now we are introducing our BESS container solution. So if you have any question or you have requirement, you can leave us message or contact us freely. Now I'm introducing you is the standard container solution for 1 MWh battery capacity and the 650 kilowatt-hour battery capacity. So this is a round structure inside the container. There are the battery system and the PCS and the firefighting system, isolated transformer, and air conditioner. So we can do OEM. We can do OEM for the battery capacity and PCS power, and also we can do OEM for the battery for customer about the logo. Okay, these are the specifications for the 20 feet container solution. So if you have any interested, you can leave us a message and we can send you this catalog. So this is this is the introduction for the container solution. So for the BESS container, so we use the standard battery modules, PCS module, also BMS, double levels, 2 levels BMS, also the EMS for the remote control and monitor. So this is a standard energy storage solution. So it can use also for the energy storage, for the peak shaving, for the backup power, and also we can design the system vehicle mounted. So it also can be used for the mobile power bank. So you can connect the solar power. So it can be used for the renewable powers like solar and diesel generator, and also wind, and your city power, Okay. This is the features for the BS container solution. Okay, for this one is for the 40 feet container solution. It's a larger one. It's always with it can be 2 megawatt hour. For the battery capacity 2 megawatt hour inside the 40 feet container, and the AC input and output power can be 1 megawatt. This is an introduction about our EMS. So for the EMS, the main function is monitor and control the system by remotely. It's very convenient for customer to check the system status. Okay, there are some project reference here. So about for the BESS container and also for the GRES system. Okay, now more and more requirements about BESS container. So we have done many safety design for our battery system. So let me introduce you the details by this video. So we have done the project in the BS container project in hello, welcome to our live stream. So we have done the project in the Europe about the BSS container solution. So later we will show you our project reference, and now I will show you the details about our BSS container.
So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone and I will try my best to introduce you our... So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone and I will try my best to introduce you the storage product.
Hold on please.
Behind me, that's a 40 feet container energy capacity is 1.8 megawatt per hour. So yeah, I will try my best to explain what's going on, how we designed the system. And okay, so guys, follow me here. So the whole system has two parts. One is the power conversion part, and another one is the energy storage part. So yeah, I will ask my colleague to help me open the door. So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you our another energy storage product. And the energy storage product you were seeing behind me, that's a 40 feet container energy storage, and the energy capacity is 1.8 megawatt.
Hello friends, welcome to our live stream.
Welcome the friend from India. Welcome.
The system. And okay, so guys, follow me here. The whole system has two parts. One is the power conversion part, and another one is the energy storage part. So yeah, I will ask my colleague to help me open the door. So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you our another energy storage product. Behind me, that's a 40 feet container. So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone and I will try my best.
Okay, we try again. It cannot be larger. Let me try again.
I'm Totem from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you the energy storage product. And the energy storage product you were seeing behind me, that's a 40-feet container. So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you the energy storage product.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, hello, welcome to our live stream. 来过可能 We try again.
So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you the energy storage product. And the energy storage product you were seeing behind me, that's a 40-feet container energy storage, and the energy capacity is 1.8 megawatt per hour. Yeah, that's a huge one. So yeah, I will try my best to explain what's going on, how we designed the system. And okay, so guys, follow me here. So the whole system has two parts. One is the power conversion part, and another one is the energy storage part. So yeah, I will ask my colleague to help me open the door so you can see it more clearly. Alright, so that's the front door of the system. So you can see. So here is the power conversion system installed going on. So we have in total 12 battery packs installed here. And we have the power conversion system, which is 600 kilowatt. I will show you the system here. So here you can see our PCM 100 modules are installed here, and the communication between the battery and the PCS system is the CAN communications. And we have here the AC power supply system here. Yes. So the AC feeding supplies, they are like going here, and you can see the DC system as well here, which is like the PCS and the battery packs. They are like, they have two lines. One is the power line, and another one is the communication line. So the PCS system has the individual system installed here. So this is the HMI part of the system, which you can see the modes, the different working modes, the status, the voltage, like the status of charge and stuff. And by the way, here's the interesting thing. We have implemented the energy management system, which you can have access remotely, and then you can integrate with your system, and you can have the full access of the system working from your home or working from your office. That's pretty cool, right? And the communication, the output communication of the CMS system, this is the Modbus TCP/IP communication. And here you can see the circuit breakers, as we have like 12 battery packs. So we have like individual circuit breakers for each battery pack. So 6 are installed here, and another 6 are installed here. And here are some other relays of the system installed here. And by the way, we have put some 220 volt power outlet for you guys. So for maintenance purpose, if you are coming with your own device, let's say your own laptop, and you need to charge your laptop, there you go, just connect here and you will have the power here. So yeah, that's pretty much the power conversion thing going on here. And I would like to introduce you more. So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you the energy storage product. And the energy storage product you were seeing behind me, that's a 40-feet container energy storage, and the energy capacity is 1.8 megawatt per hour. Yeah, that's a huge one. So So yeah, I will try my best to explain what's going on, how we design the system. And okay, so guys, follow me here. So the whole system has two parts. One is the power conversion part and another one is the energy storage part. So yeah, I will ask my colleague to help me open the door so you can see it more clearly. Alright, so that's the front door of the system. So you can see. So here is the power conversion system installed going on. So we have in total 12 battery packs installed here. And we have the power conversion system which is 600 kilowatt. I will show you the system here. So here you can see our PCM 100 modules are installed here, and the communication between the battery and the PCS system is the CAN communications. And we have here the AC power supply system here. Yes. So the AC feeding supplies, they are like going here, and you can see the DC system as well here, which is like the PCS and the battery packs. They are like, they have two lines. One is the power line and another one is the communication line. So the PCS system has the individual system installed here. So this is the HMI part of the system, which you can see the modes, the different working modes, the status, the voltage, like the status of charge and stuff. And by the way, here's the interesting thing. We have implemented the energy management system, which you can have access remotely, and then you can integrate with your system, and you can have the full access of the system working from your home or working from your office. That's pretty cool, right? And the communication, the output communication of the CMS system, this is the Modbus TCP/IP communication. And here you can see the circuit breakers, as we have like 12 battery packs. So we have like individual circuit breakers for each battery pack. So 6 are installed here and another 6 are installed here. And here are some other relays of the system installed here. And by the way, we have put some 220 volt power outlet for you guys. So for maintenance purpose, if you are coming with your own device, let's say your own laptop, and you need to charge your laptop, there you go, just connect here and you will have the power here. So yeah, that's pretty much the power conversion thing going on here. And I would like to introduce you more. So alright guys, I'm Totem from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you now another energy storage product. And the energy storage product you were seeing behind me, that's a 40-feet container energy storage, and the energy capacity is 1.8 megawatt per hour. Yeah, that's huge. So yeah, I will try my best to explain what's going on, how we design the system. And okay, so guys, follow me here. So the whole system has two parts. One is the power conversion part and another one is the energy storage part. So yeah, I will ask my colleague to help me open the door so you can see it more clearly. Alright, so that's the front door of the system. So you can see. So here is the power conversion system.
Hello friends, now we are introducing you, we are showing you the video is introducing for our BSS container solution. So we are introducing you for every part inside of the container. So if you have any questions or you have any requirements, you can leave us a message.
So here you can see our PCM 100 modules are installed here, and the communication between the battery and the PCS system is the CAN communications, and we have here the AC power supply system here. Yes. So the AC feeding supplies, they are like going here, and you can see the DC system as well here, which is like the PCS and the battery packs. They are like, they have two lines. One is the power line, and another one is the communication line. So the PCS system has the individual system installed here. So this is the HMI part of the system, which you can see the modes, the different working modes, the status, the voltage, like the status of charge and stuff. And by the way, here's the interesting thing. We have implemented the energy management system, which you can have access remotely, and then you can integrate with your system, and you can have the full access of the system working from your home or working from your office. That's pretty cool, right? And the communication, the output communication of the CMS system, this is the Modbus TCP/IP communication. And here you can see the circuit breakers, as we have like 12 battery packs, so we have like individual circuit breakers for each battery pack. So 6 are installed here, and another 6 are installed here. And here are some other relays of the system installed here. And by the way, we have put some 220 volt power outlet for you guys. So for maintenance purpose, if you are coming with your own device, let's say your own laptop, and you need to charge your laptop, there you go, just connect here and you will have the power here. So yeah, that's pretty much the power conversion thing going on here. And I would like to introduce you more. So alright guys, I'm Toton from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you our another energy storage product. And the energy storage product you were seeing behind me, that's a 40-feet container energy storage, and the energy capacity is 1.8 megawatt per hour. Yeah, that's huge. So yeah, I will try my best to explain what's going on, how we designed the system. And okay, so guys, follow me here. So the whole system.
Okay, thanks for your watching. So so we have introduced the BSS container. So if you have any question, you can leave us a message. Okay, so besides this BSS container solution, we have another energy storage solution with a smaller capacity. So it's very popular, used for the small and middle commercial use. So we will show you the details. Hello friends, now you can see this is our GIS system, and I would like to introduce you for the parts, so the components. So firstly, for the GIS system is with the battery capacity range is from 75 kilowatt hour to 300 kilowatt hour. So for this system, it's very popular, used for the small and middle commercial use. It can be used for the energy storage system and the backup power, and also mobile power supply, and also the peak shaving. Okay, now see for this system, this one is the smallest one for the is with 75 kilowatt hour battery capacity and 50 kilowatt for the AC input and output power. So this is a smallest one, and there are two cabinets. So for the first cabinet is electrical cabinet. Inside of electrical cabinet, there are some power modules here. So inside the electrical cabinet, so after you we open this door, you can see there are the black one is modules. Yeah, it modules, and for this system, it supports the PCS module and solar MPPT module. For the PCS module, is power conversion system, so it's bidirectional DC-AC converter. So it means it can be converted from DC to AC and also from DC to AC. Hello, friend. Welcome to our live stream. And also, the solar MPPT is optional against the customer project requirement. For the PCS module, and we use the each PCS module power is 50 kilowatts, and also for the solar MPPT, each module power is 50 kilowatts also. So a customer can choose the module quantity against the project requirement. And also inside the electrical cabinet, there is a STS module here. So the STS is just like a breaker, a switcher. So it will switch from on and off grid, and also off to on grid. So this STS is the main application is for the switch. So the switch time from on to off grid is 15 milliseconds. Okay, for this part. This is the next part for the electrical cabinet. So this part is for the connector. So as you can see, is the AC output and AC input. Also, is the SPD protection, and also this is the PV connector and battery connector. So there are different breakers here. And also, for the internal cables, we almost finished in our side. So after you received the goods, and you just connect the AC out and AC input, the cables. Okay, this is the electrical cabinet. And for the second cabinet is our battery system cabinet. As you can see here, this is a battery. 镜头转一下，镜头往后，好。Okay, now you can see for this cabinet is battery system cabinet. For each battery system cabinet, the battery capacity is 75 kilowatt hour. For this one, it's just the one piece battery cabinet. So you can choose the larger one with different quantity battery cabinet. And so we have the larger one for the 150 kilowatt hour, and also 230 kilowatt hour, and the biggest one is 300 kilowatt hour. For this part is the air conditioner, and this air conditioner will auto running when the temperature increased to 30 degrees. So the temperature will, so the air conditioner will start cooling, and when the temperature decreased to under 15 degrees, so the air conditioner heating will start, And after the degrees increased to 20, then the air conditioner will stop working. Okay. For the GRES system, the cabinet for the protection level is IP54, so it's suitable for the outdoor use. And for this design, is special for the mobile. It can be vehicle mounted, so you can use this system installed in the truck and to use as the mobile power bank. Okay. Okay, so this system is now this system is very popular in the overseas market. And and if you would like to be the larger capacity, also you can use the GRES system in pedal level to expand the capacity and the power. Okay, so today we have introduced our energy storage system, and also we have other products for EV charger and UPS. So we can do the token solution for you for the hybrid energy storage EV charging station also. Okay, so if you have any question and if you have any requirement, you can leave us message. And you can follow us here. And next time, you can find us very easily when we start the live stream. Okay. Okay, so finally, I would like to have a brief introduction about our company again. So we are SCU. You can see our logo SCU. So we are leading designer and manufacturer for electrical products since 2003. So we have 20 years experience for electrical products designer and manufacturing. So now we mainly have till now we have 3 production lines for battery energy storage system, UPS, and EV charger. So we can do the token solution for customers, and both software and hardware design and manufactured by ourselves. So also we can do the good after sales service to customer. Okay. So if you have any question and also have any requirement for our product, you can follow us and leave us message. Okay. Okay,
that's all for today's live stream. Next week.
So we have today our live stream have finished. So today we mainly introduced the energy storage system. Okay. So if you have any question, you can follow us or contact us freely. Our next live stream will happen in May. Okay. So
you can follow our live stream so that you will don't miss us. And looking forward our next live stream.
Okay.
That's
See
all.
you. See you. Bye bye.